Today, we are going to learn how to cough properly to help us stay healthy and keep others around us healthy too. When we cough, we can spread germs to people around us. That's why it's important to cover our mouth and nose. Let's learn how to cough. When you feel like you need to cough, here's what you do. Step 1, use your elbow. Lift your arm like this. Step 2, cough into your elbow like this. This way, you keep your hands clean and stop germs from spreading. So let's recap. Lift your arm and bend it at the elbow. Cough into your elbow. Great job! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more empowering videos from Mighty Nightly.